So what we're doing is we're creating a gabion. So this is going to be a seat where we build it with stone and ferns, and then we're going to put maple wood cut on top. So this is the idea is to create a kind of a chrysalis. So it looks like a little caterpillar, you know, kind of thing, and it's part of the metamorphosis theme. The other thing, everybody else is working on making butterfly gates, so we'll have a look at the butterfly gates.
One of the key things when you are creating gardens out of wrought iron is obviously you need to get into the catalogues. This is Brundle, and you can see here we're selecting the wrought iron. I've just typed scrolls in. Click on scrolls and then you get your components. So you're going to have to assemble a lot of these components ready to lay them out on the floor, and then you can start to spot weld them. So here you can see the students are welding away, and that's a MIG welder, so it's quite straightforward. You just earth it and then you're welding. And there's quite a lot of grinding going on afterwards. See, they're all very busy grinding all those bits off to blend it so you haven't got any bits sticking out. I mean, you can put something together very quickly.
So here we go. Here's the butterfly gates, just about made. A little bit of grinding to do, and then we're either going to paint it all up or burnish it. And that's just one of the jobs done for the show garden on the Metamorphosis garden, designed by Rachel Pratt. We have butterfly gate number 2. So this is a little bit different, a little different design. It's got a little bit of relief as well, double thickness, so that's quite interesting, but very nice. Well done, guys.
This particular one, this is the gate we did for Revelation Garden, and you can see the components were bigger. These were sort of scrolls for the top of gates, and we welded a lot of scrolls together, and you can see the end result painted gold at the back there with the 4 horses at the front of that one.
In a minute. So what we're doing here, we're just going to weld this together. So we're just using a MIG welder, so it's all earthed up there, and we're just going to weld this spike. I've just got to get a little bit square here. I'm just using tack welding it on for now, okay? So we're just going to do that. Eyes. Okay, eyes.
So this is a gabion that we made, and of course with a few ferns and stones you can make it look nice. And this was, believe it or not, a cave with a waterfall we created for Gardener's World Journey to Hope Garden way back in 2019. And there's the waterfall coming over the top. We fiberglassed it as well. And then we covered it with turf, with wildflower turf. And I think the end result was pretty good, and they actually opened Gardener's World from this particular garden. There's part of my team who helped to build it.